In this video, we're going to demonstrate how to install the Human Touch Gravis arm cap.
There's two clips on the arm cap, one here and one here, and there's two receiving clips on the arm here. These go underneath these. So you bring this arm up, approximately an inch space. You know you are where you need to be for the engagement. You press down kind of firmly and pull it forward, and then you tap with your hand until you hear the click. You see now, this is approximately flush with this. When you bring it forward, it's now engaged. It's about 1/8 of an inch in. That means the pin is engaged and the arm cap does not come off. When you want the arm cap off, you simply pull out here and push it backwards. Again, when you press it down, about flush, when you bring it forward, recessed about 1/8 of an inch or a little more.